Denzel Hayes Washington Jr., born December 28, 1954, is an American actor, producer, and director. Known for his dramatic roles on stage and screen, he has received numerous accolades, including to Academy Awards, to Golden Globe Awards, and one Tony Award, as well as nominations for a Grammy Award and to Emmy Awards. In 2020, the New York Times named Washington the greatest actor of the 21st century. He has also been honored with the Cecil B. DeMille Award in 2016, AFI Life Achievement Award in 2019, the Honorary Palme d'Or in 2025, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2025. Films in which he has appeared have grossed over $5.1 billion worldwide. After training at the American Conservatory Theater, Washington began his career in theater, acting in performances off-Broadway. He first came to prominence in the NBC medical drama series St. Elsewhere 1982 to 1988, and in the war film A Soldier's Story 1984. Washington won Academy Awards for Best Supporting Actor for playing an American Civil War soldier in the war drama Glory 1989, and for Best Actor for playing a corrupt police officer in the crime thriller Training Day 2001. He was Oscar nominated for his roles in Cry Freedom 1987, Malcolm X 1992, The Hurricane 1999, Flight 2012, Fences 2016, Roman J. Israel-esque 2017, and The Tragedy of Macbeth 2021. Washington has starred in other notable films, including The Pelican Brief, Philadelphia both 1993, Crimson Tide, Devil in a Blue Dress both 1995, He Got Game 1998, Remember the Titans 2000, Men on Fire 2004, Deja Vu, Inside Man both 2006, American Gangster 2007, Unstoppable, The Book of Eli both 2010, The Equalizer Trilogy 201 for 2023, Gladiator 2 2024, and Highest to Lowest 2025. Washington has also directed the films Antoine Fisher 2002, Denzel Hayes Washington Jr. was born in Mount Vernon, New York, on December 28, 1954. His mother, Lennis Linlow, was a beauty parlor owner and operator born in Georgia and partly raised in Harlem, New York. His father, Denzel Hayes Washington Sr., a native of Buckingham County, Virginia, was an ordained Pentecostal minister who was also an employee of the New York City Water Department and worked at a local S. Klein department store. Washington attended Pennington Grimes Elementary School in Mount Vernon until 1968, when he was 14. His parents divorced, and his mother sent him to the private preparatory school Oakland Military Academy in New Windsor, New York. Washington later said, "That decision changed my life because I wouldn't have survived in the direction I was going." The guys I was hanging out with at the time, my running buddies, have now done maybe 40 years combined in the penitentiary. They were nice guys, but the streets got them. Washington has stated that he considers himself a stage actor and not a Hollywood star. He has also cited James Earl Jones as an influence, saying, "He is who I wanted to be," adding, "He's my hero." "My college theater career started because of Jones." Washington also cited Sidney Poitier as an acting inspiration, saying, "He was a mentor, needless to say, an example, a friend." Washington has influenced and mentored numerous actors such as Chadwick Boseman, Mahershala Ali, Michael B. Jordan, Jamie Foxx, Will Smith, Jake Gyllenhaal, Austin Butler, and Glenn Powell. On June 25, 1983, Washington married Pauletta Pearson, whom he met on the set of his first screen work, the television film Wilma. They have 4 children: John David, also an actor and a former football player; Katya, who graduated from Yale University with a Bachelor of Arts in 2010, and twins Olivia and Malcolm. Malcolm graduated from the University of Pennsylvania with a degree in film studies, and Olivia played a role in Lee Daniels' film The Butler. Malcolm made his directorial debut with The Piano Lesson, with Denzel producing and John David starring in it. In 1995, Washington and his wife renewed their wedding vows in South Africa with Desmond Tutu officiating. Washington is a Pentecostal evangelical Christian and a member of the West Angeles Church of God in Christ, located in Los Angeles. He has considered becoming a preacher. He stated in 1999, "A part of me still says, maybe, Denzel, you're supposed to preach. Maybe you're still compromising. I've had an opportunity to play great men and, through their words, to preach. I take what talent I've been given seriously, and I want to use it for good." Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.